Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question. It says, in another assembly line, the inspector has taken a sample of 100 items and checked to see whether or not they are defective. The inspector has been told that the defective rate on the assembly process last week was 5%. So 5% was the defective rate. The inspector is now preparing a report to management and plans to recommend an alternative to reduce the number of defective items. Alternative 1. If the chance of finding more than 5 defectives is higher than 40%, then the assembly system should undergo a corrective action. If the chance of finding more than 5 defectives is at most 40%, then the assembly line should undergo a maintenance check only. Round off to 4 decimal places. Round off final answer to 4 decimal places. What is the probability of selecting 100 items and finding more than 5 defectives? So what you have to do, and then it says B, what is the best decision for the given situation? So first of all, we can use binomial probability formula to find this probability. So you're going to do 1 minus the percent, okay? So that is 0.05, and that's 0.95, and then that's raised to the 100th power minus k, and then for more than 5 effectives, that's 1 minus the percent. So, and then that is divided by 5%. And so then that is approximately 0.9621. And so since the probability of finding more than 5 defectives is higher than 40%, the best decision, so that's 0.9621, 0.96, let me fix this. I wrote in the wrong box first, so I don't want it to confuse you. 0.9621. And so since the probability is higher than 40%, the best decision for this given situation is to undergo corrective action. Now, let's find the probability of X and Y shipments will arrive on time. So assume 3 out of 5 shipments coming from a particular supplier do not arrive on time. What is the probability that among 9 shipments which the supplier sends, at least 7 will arrive on time? So 60% do not arrive on time. Okay. And the probability that among 9 shipments with the supplier, that 7 will arrive on time. So 2 out of 9 will not arrive on time. And 7 out of 9 arrive on time. It wants to know what that probability is. Okay, so if I take 3 out of 5, and then if I turn that 45, and then 927, and then this is 45, and so 9, and then 27 divided by 45, oops, and 35 out of 45. So that would be 35 divided by 45. So that would be 78%. Okay, find the value of X that will make the mean equal to 12. So 12 equals, and I'm going to add 12 plus 7 plus 18 plus 15 plus 11 plus 9 plus x. So 12 plus 7 plus 18 plus 15 plus 11 plus 9. And so that's 72. So 12 equals 72 plus x divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so 7 times 12 is 84. 84 equals 72 plus x. And so that would be 12. If 30% of consumers ride to work on a bus, find the probability that 8 workers were selected at random. 3 will ride the bus, 3 out of 8. So if that's 30%, and then 3 divided by 8 is 37.5%. And so that is going to be 0.254. So I hope that this video helps. This is a teacher signing out.